Good afternoon, everyone. Today, let's look at the previous day, March 1st. Trading starts at 9 o'clock and end 19 o'clock. Look at MFI. MFI indicator. It has entered the overbought zone. This means we are considering trading for sale. Go to M1. And from 10:15 we start searching. Sale. From this candle. From now on. The first thing we had was this entry point. Like this. Go to M5. Means according to the ATP stop indicator, we would have had no loss. Gave a maximum of 4% plus. Go to M15. The price has entered the zone less than 50 on MFI. From now on, we are looking to buy. From now on, we are looking for a buy. Go to M1. Also 15 minutes. From now on, we are looking for purchase. And looms before us. This is the entry point. But it closed in the red. Further, we enter from this point. Go to M5. Maximum. We would have about 3%. At least according to the ATP stop, we would have to percent. Go to M15. The price has entered the oversold zone. From now on, we're looking for sale. Go to M1. 15 minutes. From now on, we have to look for those for sale. Entry point looms. Here. Go to M5. Here she could close. Plus somewhere around 2. The maximum you could get. That's a plus 8. In these moments when the price is worth at break even, I try to leave him. Not for these reasons, but for +1. Or take +2, well at least to +5, 4. I will leave without loss. This is where I would put a stop. At this point. And look where the price goes. Further you see, it has been adjusted a little. And went downstairs. And it would be possible to close +8. And minimum +5. From now on, you could put a stop. Here at this point. Here at this point. Then we move to M15. We have a moment to purchase. This started from this moment. 16:30 we move to M1. From now on, we would start trading on an increase, and we would have an entry point here. But we would have closed at a loss and would leave. And our next entry point would be with a gap. Would be the entry point here. Well, at this point, there is a high probability that we would not have entered because there was too much movement. And we have not reached their minimum. Although it showed pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. Was punched. Here theoretically. From now on we should have entered. Go to M5. Here we wouldn't touch it, we bet without loss. No loss here. And at most we would close. Next day, today, somewhere around 9 o'clock, and they would close. Approximately plus 5. Plus 5. The day is quite good and profitable. There are few disadvantages. If anyone is interested in trading, write and I will answer. We'll figure it out. Thanks, goodbye.